Now we're going to learn our division facts for the 12 times table. 0 divided by 12 is 0. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So if we have 24 blocks, we can make 2 groups of 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So with 36, we can make 3 groups of 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 84 divided by 12 is 7. 96 divided by 12 is 8. 108 divided by 12 is 9. 120 divided by 12 is 10. So if we have 120, we can make 10 groups of 12. So we've been looking at division as counting forwards, but really multiplication is repeated addition, but division is repeated subtraction. So 120 divided by 12 is 10, because if we start on 120 and take away 12 each time, we'll need 10 jumps to get to 0. 108 divided by 12 is 9. 96 divided by 12 is 8. 84 divided by 12 is 7. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 60 divided by 12 is 5. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Because if we have 36, we can take away 12 3 times to get to 0. 24 divided by 12 is 2. Because if we have 24, we can take away 12 twice to get to 0. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 0 divided by 12 is 0. So now let's practice dividing by 12. And though division isn't really repeated addition, we're not really counting forwards when we divide, but backwards like we did just now. But we know that we can count up in steps of the divisor until we get to our dividend. We can count the number of jumps to answer our question. So let's count in steps of 12 until we get to 60. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and we needed 5 jumps to get to 60, so we've made 5 groups of 12, so our answer is 5. Now we could have started at 60 and taken away 12 each time until we got to 0, and we would still have counted 5 jumps, but it's easier to count forwards in steps of 12 rather than backwards. What is 24 divided by 12? Well, if we count up in steps of 12, we have 12, 24, so we can make 2 groups of 12 from 24, so our answer is 2. Now pause the video and work out 84 divided by 12. So if we count in steps of 12 until we get to 84, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. So we've made 7 groups of 12. So 84 divided by 12 is 7.